JBV Cartoon.
How to draw a hexagon. Before drawing a hexagon, we must know that it has 6 sides. A regular hexagon has an exterior angle of 60 degrees. Let's draw a hexagon with 30mm sides. Step 1. Using a compass, measure a distance of 3 centimeters, or 30mm, from the scale. Step 2. Draw a circle with a 3 centimeter radius using the compass. Step 3. Adjust the scale vertically. Step 4. Draw a 3 centimeter vertical line that intersects the circle. Step 5. Mark equal 3 centimeter intervals on the circle using the compass. Step 6. Connect the vertical line to the marked points on the circle. Step 7. Connect the marked points to form a hexagon. Step 8. Verify all sides are 3 centimeters. For a regular hexagon, each exterior angle should measure 60 degrees. Let's try drawing a hexagon in this orientation.